Yes, people, still there again. You see it. Sure about me fall them and things they might grow. See how five pitney have now. See a big tough rooster there. See people, yo, me so go over there go shot some bird and things and thing. You see it. You see the rooster that fighting bird over there. You see it normal pretty man. The fighting bird over there. But he might get better and better now. You want to see niece here and niece this year. Yeah man. So people gonna tell people to subscribe to YouTube channel, see way. Subscribe, comment, anything. You see it? Watch it, me so go shot some bird, see there? I gotta fix up my sting shot. Yeah man, see there? Fix up my sting shot, you see it? See rooster there. You want to tell people a black folk go up and set. I mean you know similar I not think go up and set, but he go back he gone up and set already. Can't stop him. Because now see right now 5 pitney and them a grow. You see it? Just subscribe to YouTube channel Brawling, you see it? Alright, see in Sunday, I grow two of them. But one of them they there, 4 of them they there. See them there? A rooster end there so, and it's another rooster there so. See him there? The black one there. And so I'm bridging end there so. And gold end. Brown kind of end, you see it? Rooster kind of wild still. People I see me can buy on a rooster. I try to bring them up still. I'm gonna say I know me not try to kill one of darling, you see it. One day I do this too, but because every time my darling come over here, you have time when they forward, you see it, or you see, and you know how much egg in there upon you see it, but me so look on it. And it's so hot by end of this, think of this month, end of next month, think of that time I'll pick me, you see it, so subscribe to YouTube channel, see me Brawling, you see it, but next month we go over, see me can shot some bird, you see it. Like me a plan for you see it so. Long time job out on video, but job out a video now, you see it. Just subscribe to YouTube channel. As you see it, I'm just glad for them to rooster, I grew up right now. So I'm just glad for them. So start lock up one and left one out of the door, you see it, you can't make them see each other. You know, it's a game for them. When they little people pay for them fight now, when they little on this, pay for them fight and them blood up. Pay fight they used to fight, I remember that song. See? On the black and white, on the black and blue. On the black and white and shit. You see, I tell you, so down there black and white and gold. Because chicken and cow and that have the same color, but down there enough white on him, you see it? Yeah man. Subscribe to YouTube channel, Brawling.